Section 2. Digging into awesome point-and-click lighting features. In this section, we are going to take a look at creating a custom lighting app, creating custom objects, creating custom fields, creating custom formula fields, creating custom validations, designing the page layouts, compact layouts, and data migration, means importing the data using data import wizard. Custom lighting app. In this video, we are going to take a look at using the Lightning Experience App Manager, creating a custom lighting app. In this course, we are creating a lighting app called Health Awareness Program. For our development process, we need to go to Setup icon. Wherever you are, you come here to the Setup icon, click on that and select Setup. In the left side, you find the Setup and Quick Find box. You want to create an application, simply type app. You find all the app related items over there. Under the apps, you find App Manager. Or else, go to the platform tools. Under the apps, you find App Manager item. Select it. You will be landing at Lightning Experience App Manager. So you can create new Lightning app. And also you find what are the classic applications or Lightning apps available for our organization. Click on New Lightning App button, right? You find App Details and Branding. Give some application name, the label that you want to give. So the app name is Health Awareness Program. The developer name, the API name of the component. Of course, we must be knowing _C will be suffixed automatically because this is a custom item. Then have optionally some description. Then branding. We want some image. You can upload any image. Remember, the ideal size is 128 pixels by 128 pixels. Then primary color hex value. You can give or you can select any other color. Theming options. If you don't want the organization's custom theme, you want to theme this image and the color whatever you have defined, you can give or keep it as defaulted one. Then the app is going to be like this one. Go to the next and options. Is it a standard navigation or console? Console means many items under one roof, one screen, one place. That is console, which is helpful for the call center guys. Of course, I'm going for standard navigation. So this is service or full setup. Obviously full setup. Then would you like to have utility bar, one dock item at the bottom of your app? Then add items like any lightning component. These are the components available. A list view component or flow component, anything. If you want to have that bottom bar. I am not adding anything. Then go to what are the items should be available for this app. What are the selected items for this? Nothing. For example, I want to have accounts. Select that one. Add it. So one accounts is there. Anyhow, after that we are going to create custom object and we will be having those items over here. So for your custom lighting app, whatever the items you want, select them. Then coming to the assignment to the user profiles. As of now, Mr. Michael James is the system admin. For him, provide the access. Apart from this, any other profile you want to give, standard profiles or custom profiles, provide access to those profiles. Save and finish. Here we are dealing with only Mr. Michael James. So system admin is his defaulted one. For system admin profile I have given. Now we have got Health Awareness Program of Lightning. By the way, let's switch to that app and we will see the changes. What are the items available in the item bar and the logo. Go there, App Launcher, search for health awareness program, or straight away go and select. Observe the changes. My custom logo over here, and whatever the items I have selected, only accounts I have selected. We are successful with creating a custom lightning app.